Hello, students. Hello, hello. Long time no see for some of you. Welcome. Welcome to today's live English lesson. Thank you so much for joining me today. Before we get into today's lesson, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post videos there all the time. Hello, Tedwin. Nice to see you. So yeah, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on TikTok. Also, I have a website. You can sign up for a free account, and I'm going to be sending you little goodies from time to time. So like PDFs and things like that. Also on my website, I have courses. I have a pronunciation course, and I'm working on some new courses. Those are paid courses, but you can make a free account and I will send you some cool stuff. Okay, welcome everyone. Thank you for joining. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, don't forget to tell me what country you're watching from. I love to see all the different countries that we gather together. Okay. Oh, good morning from Greece. Oh, hello, Irini. Nice to see you again. Okay. Very nice. Oh, I see somebody joined the website already. Thank you so much. Somebody made their free account. Very nice. Okay. So today we're going to get into a little bit of a quiz. We're going to be learning the differences between 2 and 4. 2 and 4. So I noticed a lot of students, even if they've studied English for a while, they still make some mistakes, okay? So let's get into the quiz. And then I can take some questions after the lesson as well, okay? Oh, Tetwin, thank you. Hold on. I listen to your sleeping vocabulary every single day. It's so good. Thank you so much. So on YouTube, I have some sleeping videos where you can learn English while you sleep. I used to do that myself when I was studying Japanese. It's so useful, in my opinion. Okay, very good. Hello from Guatemala, Thailand. Okay, we'll get into the lesson. So 2 or 4. Let's see if you can answer these correctly. And I will explain the answers, so don't worry if you get it wrong. Okay, question number 1. It's a quarter 6. Okay, so it's a quarter 4 6. Or it's a quarter to 6. Now I'll give you a hint because if you see this, you might not understand this sentence. So what this sentence is saying, we are talking about time, okay? It's a quarter 6, okay? We are talking about time in this sentence. Oh, very good. I see Tetwin and Irini. Very good. You guys are so good. Well done. I think everybody's gotten that one right. Awesome. So it's a quarter to 6. Very good, Lucky. Okay, it's a quarter to 6. So why do we say it's a quarter to 6? Why do we use 2 and not 4? Well, we use 2 when telling time. We use 2 when telling time. And if you don't know what a quarter to 6 means, that means that it is now 5:45, okay? It is now 5:45. So a quarter to 6 means there's a quarter of the hour left until the next hour. Very good, everyone. Oh, I can see so many people signing up for the website. Thank you. Okay. Question 2. Drinking too much alcohol is bad for you or to you? What would you say? Very good. Drinking too much alcohol is bad for you or bad to you. Okay. Oh, very good. I see some people saying for and some people saying to. Okay. So for this one, it might be a little bit tricky. Drinking too much alcohol is bad for you. Very good. It's bad for you. Why do we say for in this sentence? Well, we use for when talking about benefits or detriments. So detriments is the opposite of benefits. I don't know if this is a new word for you. So benefits, a benefit is something that is good. So for example, if I say eating vegetables is good for you, that is a benefit. Taking this English course is good for you, that is a benefit. A detriment is something negative. So drinking too much alcohol, for example, is bad for you. Okay, very good, everyone. Oh, Christian, hello, welcome. Greetings from Iraq. Amar, hello. Okay, so benefits and detriments, we tend to use for. Something's bad for you, something's good for you. Okay, question number 3. He was fired for being late or to being late? What do you think? You guys are so good. So I think you guys are getting lots of correct answers today. That's awesome. But I love drinking Coca-Cola. Yeah, I used to drink not Coca-Cola, but Pepsi. I used to drink Diet Pepsi a lot when I was in school, getting the caffeine for late night study nights. But recently I have totally stopped drinking caffeine. I don't drink coffee anymore, but I haven't drank Pepsi since I was in school. Okay. Oh, excellent. Okay, so I see a mix. So most people are saying for, some people are saying to. Okay, so perfect. We will answer this. He was fired for being late. He was fired for being late. So we use for when using verb plus ing. Okay. So we wouldn't use to being late. Okay. To plus infinitive, for plus verb plus ing. Okay. And another reason that we use for here is that it is a reason / motivation with ing verb. Okay. So when you see an ing verb, and this is a reason, being late is the reason he was fired, we're going to use for. He was fired for being late. Very good. I hope none of you are ever fired for being late. Okay. And question 4. It's about a 15-minute drive from my house. Yours. It's about a 15-minute drive from my house. Yours. We have for or to. And I just want to point out one thing. When we say 15-minute drive, so you can see there's an here. So we don't say 15 minutes with an S. So I know a lot of students get tricked about this one. A 15-minute drive. So here, 15-minute becomes like an adjective for the word drive. Okay? And here, a drive here is a noun. Okay? So it's about a 15-minute drive. Okay. Oh, no problem if you're late. Welcome, welcome. Okay, I see Irini says 2, Abu says 2, Muhammad 2. Oh, lots of 2s. Very, very good. Okay, so the correct answer is 2, of course. Why do we say 2? Well, we use to when talking about distance. So it's a 10-minute walk to the station. It's a 12-hour flight to the US. Okay, so when we're talking about distance, especially from to, we use that combination, from somewhere to somewhere. Okay, we can also talk about time. For example, I work 9 to 5. 9 to 5. Very good. Oh, yes, it's about a 15-minute drive from my house to yours. Very good. Okay, so we have one more question, the last one. I watch your videos for or to learn English. I watch your videos for learn English. I watch your videos to learn English. What do you think? What's your answer? Let me know in the comments. Okay. Very, very nice. I see a mixture of answers here. Some people saying A, some people saying B. That's okay. Okay, so this one I think is probably the trickiest one. So I know that lots of students tend to make a mistake when it comes to this sentence. Okay, so if we look at the sentence, why do you watch my videos? Well, learning English, right? So here you can see learn is the infinitive. Okay, so we're going to use to here. Okay, so use to with infinitive. So I think a lot of students know that you use for like a reason, right? So the last one that we, not the last, this one, he was fired for being late. But when we use for in this case, we need either a noun or verb plus ing. So when we go to question 5, here it's learn. It's not learning, and it's not just English. So it's not a noun and it's not a gerund. So it's the infinitive of this word, learn. So we're going to say to learn English. I watch your videos to learn English. So yes, we can use to as a reason. I came here to talk to you. Okay. I went to the store to buy milk. Okay, so we can use to plus the infinitive when we're talking about a reason. Okay, very good, everyone. So please let me know in the comments how many you got right. Did you get all 5 correct? Did you get 4 right, 3 right? You guys are doing very well. Yes, to as a purpose. Very good. For some reason. Okay. Yes, I watch your videos to learn English. Very good. Ah, okay. You save the country. I save you. You save I. You save I, save you. I save you, save the country. I think maybe there's some grammatical errors in that sentence. You save the country, I save you. So maybe I save you, so I save the country. Is that what you mean? Very good. Okay, we got 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. Oh, Ernie, very good. 4 out of 5. That's pretty good, lucky. Very nice. Keep up the good work. Okay. 4 out of 5. Excellent. Okay. So, hello from Afghanistan. Welcome. Okay, so that's it for today's lesson. But I would like to say again that I have a new website up, and you can make a free account, and I will send you some things in email. For example, sometimes I will send PDFs, or you'll get notifications about my blog. So I will be writing blogs about my lessons. So if you want to see it written out, you can follow me on my website. And also, there are some paid courses. There is a grand opening plan right now, so it's only $5. It's a lifetime discount. So once you sign up, you'll always have the discount. And yeah, I have a pronunciation. I have a pronunciation course. I have a bunch of PDFs and extra lessons for you guys on there. So please check out my website. I would really, really appreciate it. Okay. If you know anyone who is learning English, maybe you can send them this video, share it with your friends, and please like and subscribe to me on YouTube as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to come back for another lesson. I'm very excited. I have a lot of lesson ideas ready, so I hope you're ready too. Okay, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye, everyone.